Yo, it's GioBeatz Productions. I'm back with another video. I was busy with some few things, running a few errors, preoccupied, but it feels good to be back though. Yeah, today I wanna take y'all through a journey. But before that, please subscribe and press the like button. If you're out there and you probably have some why is this happening, why is he doing it that way, or you're upcoming producer and you want to know some factors of, if you just have questions, don't let me know. Put it in the comment section. I read all of my comments, and immediately in the comment section I will reply to you one question each week and answer it and make a video according to it. And I'm saying, like, we're here to help each other. I'm here to help the next guy coming up. But feel free, feel free. Communicate with me. Tell me what you want to hear more. What type of beats you want me to make? What type of videos you like? Like, just put it out there. We're the community right here. Just put it out there. I just want to have y'all just up, or the next producers, or I'm here to better somebody else. I'm saying, I'm not here to make these beats for my own good or make this type of videos because I enjoy making. I love making beats. You know what I'm saying? I'm not doing this. I'm doing this for you. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Put it in the comment section. Like, one thing about this beat is, like, I don't want to put much on it because, like, any artist is gonna sing on this, but it's already like a bit like spacey and all that kind of stuff. It's filled already. So the only thing that matters on this, I want the drums to be hard. You know what I'm saying? I want them to hit. Yeah, like, less is more. Like, always, like, less is more. Don't try to do too much. Don't try to crowd and overcrowd like each melody and all those. It should just blend in. If it doesn't blend in, don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Try something new. I figured something, like, this is a two-day video. We're still busy with the same beat, and hope to be back again. Yeah, let's continue. Let's do what we were doing. And like I said, don't forget, feel free to ask questions. Let me know in the comments below. And Yeah, subscribe and like. I'm doing this for y'all. Know what I'm saying? I'm doing this for you. And let's. The good news is at least we got our drums out of the way, and it sounds pretty decent. Let me know in the comment section below. Is it fire? Is the drums fire or not? Rated from a scale of 1 to 10. Yeah, let me know. So let's go to the big. Oh my goodness. My bad. I got carried away. My bad. Oh my goodness. That's not it. Oh, you gotta figure this out. Here's the real pattern. Yo, I'm been thinking about like making like once every month, making like a beat contest. Like producers sending me beats, and then they battle love days, and I rate their beats from 1 to 10, from a scale of 1 to 10, or who won between two contestants, or you know what I'm saying. Let me know in the comment section if I should do something like that. Like yeah, it'd be dope. It'd be dope. I'm looking forward to that, but I gotta get some approval from you guys. So if there's some producers out there and you think your beats are hard, send them to me. Let's make a beat contest. Let's see who's the better guy. I'm not taking part in it. I'm just rating y'all beats. That's don't get me wrong. Yeah. Subscribe and press the like button. That's all I'm asking.